This is a microphone test. Right now we are using the regular microphone. I don't know how much feedback you'll pick up, but hello, hello, hello. Test, test, test. This is a test. We have the new Rode microphone set up with the small windshield. Hello, hello, hello. It is on the first setting. I will go ahead and switch it to the next setting now. This is going to be 80. Here we go. We are set up on a tripod here. And we'll see how this sound picks up. Hopefully it's nice and clear. That's what I'm shooting for. We're going to go ahead and upload it to YouTube. Okay.